Markus, you shit. Play right now.
Oh, in the rain.
In the fucking rain.
I'll play tomorrow.
In the rain. Go. I don't go.
Rain, yo.
Yo, this guy's calling.
Then it's the rain's fault, bro.
Look, I already make an excuse like a little bitch.
Oh. The 101? Yeah. This guy's calling him out in the rain.
He called
me out. In the rain.
He called me out first.
That's why he said let's go.
Alright, let's go, let's
go. Are you worthy? To play in the rain.
Let's go.
101 doesn't matter rain or shine. They're still playing.
I'll play, bro. I'm not scared.
Yeah?
My money's on Mateen. Alright, Mateen, my money's on you. Alright, don't disappoint.
Keep scoring, yo, look how I'm keeping her on.
What do you do with all this?
It's gonna be on YouTube. Whatever, just let them. Yeah.
Yo, get off the court, get off the court. Get off the court. Get off the court. Hey! Oh, you're so online. Go, Shadow.
Was that a travel?
Yeah, but
Oh! Yo! Oh! Rainy edition. Yo, it's
11. It's up to 11.
Up to 11.
2-1. So far, who do you think is going to win this match?
I think Mateen has the best. Oh!
That's a 1. Get that board, Mateen.
You just slipped.
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Out on you. No, it's my ball. It's a ball. It's out on you. Yo, video replay that shit, man.
Fuck that, yo, fuck that.
You should. Oh yeah, you should do it.
Oh! Oh!
You can do the moonwalk.
Oh!
4-2. Not today. Camera.
Oh. D up, bitch.
Oh! Oh!
What's your foot?
Only playing paint.
He's only playing in the paint.
Oh!
Is that a 2? Yeah, 8-7. Whoa! Markus, don't be a bitch.
Yep. What you gotta say again, Oni?
Loser gets punched by me.
Alright, that's the deal. Just tell me Oh!
Bro, these guys got like roller skates on.
Show off who has handles. You said he has no handles.
Oh!
I'm a ballerina. For the ballerina. That's game, bitch. We can reschedule. How about this? We play another game on a nice day. Alright? That's game.
It's up to 15.
Oh! He can beat twice now.
I get to beat him twice?
Yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh!
My bad. My bad.
Can I get that on camera? Say that again.
Shout out to Softball Training, man. It's all him.
Rogers. Oh!
Overkill it. I wouldn't like it any other way.
Oh!
That's their ball. Well, I won the first game. I just won the second.
Anything you gotta say, Mateen?
I'll beat this guy another day, yo. Different day. It's just not my day. It's just not my day, yo.
He's shit. Can't do anything. He wants to talk shit, then he was afraid to play me in the rain. Shut the fuck up.
Where do you want me to punch him?